Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the revise all three chapters in a nutshell. First one, how, when, and where. In that, why important dates. How we are finding out important dates. Why it is important like that. According to our focus, the importance it will change. Then the which dates, which date we want. If you are taking like that, if your class you are making a survey, which dates are important means according to that it will be vary from some people they will say there on the if you are thinking about our school days here, and some students they will say about exams days that are important. Some students will say some of the events what happened like annual day of the school, then sports gathering, like that things they will say like that. According to their focus the dates may change. Then we can see the making the periods of the history that in a different way. The English people they made the history as a that you have seen 6th and 7th also same way. British people they made the periodization or with the help of James Mill in 1817. And what they made, they said like that British Indian history into Hindus, Hindu, Muslim, and British, like that they made periodization. But we are making the periodization like the old means ancient history, then medieval history, then the modern history, like that we are making the modern periods in Indian history. Then we can see the what is colonial means making the colonies in different countries, like that British people came here and they made colony here. Then how we know all these things, how we are getting the information about what happened in the past, especially in the time of colonial period, what happened, that things we are getting from the administrative procedure records. They are keeping all the records. We can see the in 1920s when the British people was ruling here, they made the archives, the National Archives of India, to keep the records of the things what all procedures they done. Then we can see one example. It is given Directorate of Intelligence Headquarters, India Command, that the report of the Home Department, wherever the mutiny happened, that time what happened, that they are giving the details. Mumbai what happened, then Karachi what happened, Visakhapatnam what happened. They are with a date and a day, they are with a number they are writing and keeping. That is from that we will get the information about what happened here in India in the colonial period. Then another one, the survey become surveys. They are British people they conducted many types of surveys, especially we have seen that one they conducted the land survey. When we studied about the third or fourth lessons, we have seen that one. So like that surveys, and they kept the record of that surveys, that also giving the information. Then official records do not tell some things, they are not saying really what happened, like that things we are getting from the experience of the folklore of the people. From them also we are getting some of the information. That is all about the lesson, and then we will discuss some of the question answer. Okay, I will continue in next video.